today, guys, we are going to be cooking roast beef.
Yep. We got celery.
Anyways, do it.
We got these little onions, which are, these, whatever these are called, I forgot. Celery. Baby carrots.
Okay.
Mushrooms. And roast beef. Now, we also have beef broth.
And I forgot to mention, make sure to like and subscribe. Right, Dad?
Yes. And we have, once I find it, it's called roast beef powder seasoning.
Okay.
And then what we got to do first is brown the meat in a pan. And we'll show you the rest on the next episode. Be sure to like and subscribe.
No. This is a full video, so we have to do this.
Okay. Well, we're going to have to do it in parts, buddy. Because I'll show you why. We got to brown the meat, and then when we put it in the pressure cooker, it'll take a while. So, we've got a cast iron pan.
But we'll do the first part, but when you have to cook it, when you have to put it in somewhere, we're going to do we're going to say, let's do another thing, okay? So yeah, that's it. Already been 1 minute. It's been already 1 minute. Come on, see this.
I know, I'm cleaning this up.
Okay. Oh, I forgot. Whippity?
No.
This is what I use to clean the cast iron. She was getting involved in the video. She'll be fine.
Okay, let's just get back to it. That was annoying. That could annoy the viewers. Then we have to restart all again.
No, we can't.
Yeah.
Okay, so we got the roast beef here.
Now we're going to cook it.
We're going to brown it, and then we'll get ready to put it in the Instant Pot. First thing you do,
And Dad, I'm going to cook with you, so give me some gloves.
okay. Well, we have to do it in parts, but I'm telling you we have to do it in parts. It's got to be part one.
Yeah, this is part 1.
Part one is browning the meat. Take a paper towel and you dry it. Okay. Then
The viewers can't see it. Let me move it.
once you, yeah,
That's better.
here.
Here, I'll just
Right
do
here.
this. Yeah, that's perfect.
Okay. So then we're gonna take a knife. Why don't you hold it, bud, and here, why don't you get over here?
No, I
There you go. Hold that. Okay. Now, cut these pieces out here. I'm going to use all the gristle in it. It makes it, I like it better. I like to cut it on the lines. And then when you cut it, you also, another way is to cut it crossed width. But I will do that once I cut them into smaller pieces, and then I'm going to brown them. After I cook them, then I'll cut them into smaller pieces. But if I were going to cut them, like right now, I will cut it cross grain. And then I'll cut it another one. There. Then.
Guys, can I tell the viewers something?
Yeah.
So if you saw those arguments and mistakes, things, just don't worry about that. We're already doing it.
Boar's not out, White Lightning.
That's weird. And my daughter bullies me. She draws me photos of whales just to with me.
Okay. Now you take this and you turn this on high and let it heat up for a while. The pot. Goes down in the middle. Very important. As long as so the meat doesn't burn. A little bit of oil on it. Or
So what are we going to do with the small carrots?
well, we'll do that. We cut those up and put them in there. But the part we want to be brown in the meat.
Now put the meat in it.
I have to wait for the pan to heat up.
Oh.
It's got to be really hot.
Well, Dad, if we don't do it, part two, it'll take a couple minutes. We'll be fine. If it takes a while, we could just do some random stuff in it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So now we're gonna wait. Are these my vitamins?
I don't know. Have you had any yet?
Nope.
You want it to be a little bit more than that. Cutting board.
Would you give me the ingredients except for the steak? Oh yeah, cutting board. That's easy. I see that in the butcher board, so let me go over there. And then second, we're gonna do the cut. Okay, not cutting board yet. Oh yes. Never mind. So.
I got it, bud. You gotta do with me, okay?
While we do that, I'll show you my precious dog.
You gotta watch me do this, George.
Oh yeah,
It's part of the cooking deal.
yeah. And then he will start cutting it up. You see, do not put it in big pieces. You put it in small pieces.
Okay? grab the other one. No.
And get some extra more so you can cut it. And explain what will we do after you cut this up?
I add all the ingredients up and I put it inside the thing. What? Where is Liberty?
I thought she didn't leave here.
She was, and then she was grabbing George's tablet, and then George didn't like it, and then she was
Okay,
dead.
somewhere dark maybe.
Anyways, back to our cooking show. So, we're going to first put the meat in. After that. Ignore the watchers in the living room. Anyways, we're going to put the meat in.
Brown the meat.
And then we need... What else do we need?
We need celery.
Okay. What are we going to do with the small carrots? Oh yeah, I forgot. We're going to cut them up and put it in some stuff. I don't know. I forgot. Oh shoot, the camera's not working very well. There we go. I got it to work. And while that's cooking, you get to cut up this. And make sure to put it in medium pieces or small. Because if you put it in big pieces, then it won't, then you have to resalt the thing again. Not just with like the whole entire thing, just with this right there.
You want to? Can you cut up the? Can you cut up the?
Yeah. I know one.
Okay.
What girl?
You can cut the mushrooms up, at least one box for now.
Yeah. Okay, I'll call you later. It's not too late. Okay. Can we do a new show really fast?
Huh?
Can I look at this really fast?
Well,
Okay, I'll do it now. I'm fucking, like,
I know.
I don't know what's going on. I'm so
You're tired.
exhausted.
I know you're tired, but I could use some help. Now I'm really tired.
Like, I don't even know if I've ever been this tired.
All right, George is recording.
Oh, well, don't record me.
All right, George. Let's do that at the end of part 1.
That's the end of part 1. Part 2 coming soon.